Alright, so I gotta get out of here. But, hey, Skyhawk. Have to come back down here. I have more time. But I flew down here in my Challenger. Got a lot of cool airplanes. The museum closes in 5 minutes and I have to get back to the airport side so I can get out of here. Ratsola. Okay. Cool airplanes, cool airplanes. Okay. GH2 Howard, pretty cool airplane. RC. Yeah, I gotta get back. Cool looking airplane. Then we have to come back down here again. I got more time. Alright. 5 minutes. Well, putting my way back so I can get out of here. So I sent one Blackbird over there. Let's give her a quick picture of that. Display. But not a very big airplane. Quite small. Alright, yeah. Gotta be able to jump a vehicle so I can get out of here. Man, that sucks. Enhance your visit. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. I gotta try to find a ride to get back. Guest gift shop here. Alright.